So this is Joules starting the Pauchug pursuit. This is Flat Rock Road. So we're headed to our first point that we need a photo of, Flat Rock. And gonna hike south on the Pauchug Trail to Loudonbrook Bridge, which we need a picture of. It's a great fall day. New trail for Joules. Yeah, it was a Quinnebog trail.
Go ahead. Hey Joules, you having fun?
On the rocks.
Joules loves the rocks.
He loves the rocks. He's so excited to be on a new trail. Well, we found out this is the Quinnebog Pauchug crossover this time of year. We haven't had a frost yet. It's full of grass, which means tick check. Joules is ahead, so we gotta check her fur and stuff. But I picked this trail because we could get 2 of the challenge points, but also because I know some of the other ones in the park are grown in, and I didn't think this one was, but clearly it is. You having fun? You need a tick check. This is a pretty part of the Pauchug. This goes through the pine. I think we're going to come out on Hell Hollow Road. The colors are great. A lot of birds here. So this is Hell Hollow Road. We can't see the foundation, but it's in there. It's too grown in right now. But this is the road that's haunted. It's got a lot of YouTube videos that some paranormal investigators even did a video on YouTube where they tuned in and actually heard voices talking on the electronic device they usually use. We have seen the foundation in the fall or winter one time. It's in that clump over there where the ghost supposedly lived. It's got a whole story on it. You can look it up on YouTube at the Ghost of Hell Hollow. I forgot the ghost's name. I think it might be Maud. But then I was thinking it was Tilly, so I forgot who the ghost was. It's definitely not spooky during the day. It gets a little, I think it could get a little spooky at night in that area at the bottom of Hell Hollow. So I think the Green Valley was doing some sort of a haunted story thing too, about the ghost coming up for October. I think it was the day we couldn't go. But it's a pretty part of the trail. Next part of the challenge will be Loudonbrook. So Dave just looked up the ghost's name. Found it pretty fast by looking up Ghost of Hell Hollow, Connecticut. The ghost's name is Maud. It's got a whole story behind it. A lot of people say that they have seen the ghost, or paranormal investigators have found the ghost, sensed the ghost. Pretty spooky.
Yep. Golden Girls.
Filming the leaves are great, huh? Leaves are coming down. This is a pretty area. He loves to sniff. There's an old sign up here that says Jim's Trail way up there.
Oh, it's an old one or someone just painted it?
Oh, it looks fairly old, but we've never seen it before. This is somebody who liked this trail. Leaves coming down. Because I put the video on, the leaves stopped coming down, but leaves were really coming down. No.
Oh, okay.
I just put it on now when the leaves were coming down. Uh-oh, I hear people. I'm sniffing. She did good with this girl. She did good with this girl. It's a big girl, though.
Yeah. You know, you never know which one's the one.
Yeah. There, it looks like a campsite, too. Like a log in there with a... Yeah. Like a flat log, and somebody even had a fire pit. I believe this is the bridge over Loudon Brook that we need a picture of for the challenge. Looks like a fairly new bridge. We've been on this trail before, but I don't remember what the old bridge looks like.
I don't remember.
New bridge. It's the highest bridge she's been on.
Good girl.
She went down the steps good? Wow.
Went down those steps nicely.
Wow. Maybe there'll be another...
It's kind of like the other trail there. It crosses the bridge and follows the stream.
Yeah, maybe there'll be another place by the stream she can get water. Wow. She never goes...
She's in the water. It's because we keep taking her down to the stream all the time.
She never goes in the water.
She's getting used to the water now.
She never goes in the water like that. She's on the Zoom. Gonna tire yourself out. Gonna tire out. She does this when she gets overexcited. She's excited she was in the water. Good girl.
Where is she? Where is she? Find her, Joules. Find her, Joules. Where is she? Where is she, Joules? Find her. Find her. Where is she, Joules? Where is she, Joules? Find her.
Let me get the treat. I gotta find you. Yes, good girl.
Look at her. She found her.
Good girl. Good girl. So that was Joules' search challenge.
Yeah.
Trying to get her to search for a person in the woods. So, trying to just get me to hide. And she gets used to find. She understands the command find.
Yeah. Train her to be a search and rescue.
Maybe someday she'll be a search and rescue dog. So, she understood the command find. When she got to me, she stopped. She didn't see me right away, and then she turned towards me. Then she got the treat. I guess in the Joules, don't go down there, you might slip. Dave's gonna slip.
Come this way, Joules.
Come this way. Good girl. I guess in the high water, there's actually waterfalls in here, but it's low water right now. If you want a drink, you should tank up here.
Tasting the water. He was really thirsty. Tasting.
Got enough water? Ooh, I'll try to film her. She's like on top of that ledge. Is that a squirrel? What's that noise? This noisy squirrel, she hears it too.
Your ears.
Yeah. We're trying to get to the picnic table, but we're on 5 miles now, so maybe we're not going to make it to the table. To the picnic table. That's our turnaround spot. We're past Past 5 miles. Nobody's at it.
Picnic
Nice table.
table.
That's her O'Roy sirloin tips and gravy. We found out that she likes this. She only likes it on the wax paper though. She doesn't like it when it's in the bowl. Okay, ready for the challenge here?
Get the film going.
The food challenge?
Get the film going.
Yeah.
Is that 2 of them?
No, not one of them.
Oh, I think it's 1.
No, we have to close to it. Just rub it. Yes, she got it right away. See, she puts her paw up when she gets it. What a nose! Nose!
Good job. Good job.
Oh, here's another bacon.
Break it.
Let's see if she knows which hands it's in. When she puts her paw up, she knows where it is. Oh, which one is it? Yeah. Okay. There it is. Good girl. What a nose. What a nose.
You crazy dog.
What a nose, huh?
You crazy dog. Huh?
Now she's looking for more food. Uh-oh, motorcycle, hold her. Hold her, there's a motorcycle coming. We can go in the water.
Is there fish in there? Is there fish in there, Jules? Any fish in there?
It's getting pretty deep, huh? Good girl. You ready to go? Had enough mud?
Ready?
You can keep going in the water.
You okay?
Some of that mud is kind of deep.
Put your feet off. You okay? Sure. You okay?
I don't know. Seems to keep wanting to jump in the water today. She usually doesn't like water that much. You almost fell.
You okay?
Taking a break. We might be on 6 miles.
Probably.
Joules is taking a break. Having a long chew. She holds it in her paws. She holds it between 2 paws. Has to be one of the top 10 days of the year. Leaves coming down, perfect temperatures, blue sky, no bugs, great color. October 7th. Maybe it's, I guess it's October 6th because our anniversary is Wednesday the 9th. I think Dave is excited about the sign. Which means we just have a couple more miles to go. How many miles are we on?
We're on 8.7.
8.7.
9, 10, 2.
2 more miles to go.
Ready?
Maybe under 2.
Maybe under.
This is the part that's kind of grown in though. the part that's going to get grassy. Guess we should have brought a machete. A couple more weeks it'll be gone. It's turned color already. The view.
That's a view?
Sun is angling nice up here now, huh? Is that the view?
That's a view, Joules?
I don't think it is. Yeah, that's a flat rock.